Good morning, Babu. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning, Mamu. I love you.
Good morning. I love you too.
Hello, guys. I am Shaurya. I am 6 years old. Today I am going to make my bed. Hello, friends. This is my messy bed. This is called head of bed. This is called foot of bed. This is a pillow. This is a bed sheet. This is a blanket. Today I am going to make my bed. He is my little brother. I love him so much. His name is Savir. Now I am going to put him here on the top. First, taking those pillows and the blanket off the bed. Now I will make the bed. Finally, my bed sheet is done. Now put on the pillows. This is my favorite pillows. Now I am going to make my blanket. Always we have to clean our bedroom. Now my messy room became clean and clear. Finally, my work is done. It is good to wake up every morning on time. Go to bed around same time every night. Good habits are the key to all success. Thanks for watching my video. Love you. Thank you, little wonders.